Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, creator of Selector Sub. Recently, I have created a Selector Sub certification program. This is absolutely free program. Uh, what is this? Selector Sub certification program is a simple quiz which has all objective types question, though they are simple but really tricky and required some good concepts, fundamental concepts on XPath, CSS selectors, as well as on selectors hub. The main purpose of this certification is that to spread the awareness on selectors, on XPath and selectors hub. Because in the past we all had that lots of misconception. We were never aware about those fundamental concepts. We always talk about things that we should write our own XPath, and there were like lots of things because of due to lack of innovation. We all suffered then, and we lived with those things. So this certification program will help you a lot to learn the fundamental and the basic concepts of selectors, which really required for every automation test engineer and the developers while web development and the web testing, web automation testing. And this is really, really must have certification for all the automation test engineer, whether they are from the Selenium, Cypress, or WebDriver, or any of the automation framework you are using. This is the must have certification program. And this will this is not just as just watch and get the certificate. No, you will when you will take the certification, you really required to score at least 70, minimum 75% score is required. There are currently there are 27 questions, so you will have to at least give answer for 21 the correct answer, then only you will get the certificate. Let me show you how and where you will get this certificate and this program. So here on the selectors of website, if you go, so on the selectors of website, you will get this certificate on the top header. Click on this. Here you have to fill these information. So on the next page, like here you give all the right information. So the same will appear on the on your certificate. Give the correct name, of course, because your name will come on your certificate, and click on the next. You will see that here you get all the information and all the questions, like really tricky question and really good fundamental concept. You trust me, like you will learn a lot. You so far it's been 2 days and more than 300 people has already taken this quiz and the certification. And you, I'm sure, like you must have read about how good this certification program is. And one more request, like before taking this certification, I would really request you to, if you are new to Selector Sub, please watch this video tutorial here. The link is already given in the form, so that you would be able to understand, and it will help you to like understand all the fundamental concepts of Selector Sub and XPath, and you will learn a lot more things, so that like you successfully you would be able to complete this certification program, and definitely you will learn a lot. And once you will be completing this quiz successfully, and you will score at least 75%, which means like 21 right questions, you would be able to you will get the certificate in your inbox, email inbox, the one which you will give in the form. If you didn't receive the email, I mean, just after submitting, like maybe maximum like 1 or 2 minutes, if you didn't get, check your spam folder. Still you didn't get that, reach out to me. I will help you on that. And this certification program you can take multiple attempts. Like if on like first time if you didn't pass through, then you can take it again. So this certification program, I'm sure like you, it will help you a lot. It will help you in your learning, and definitely you will learn something new with the new concepts. And for sure it will help you a lot in your day-to-day job, and it will save times with the fundamental concepts and the basic concepts on XPath and selectors. So I hope this certification program will help you. uh, and with that, thank you so much. Do take this certification. If you are Selector Sub user, definitely you should take it. And please share Selector Sub and this certification program, because this has the fundamental concepts which you might have never heard about, or which you might never ever heard or experience those concepts. So with that, thank you so much. Please like and share this certification program with everyone, with the community, and let's grow together, learn together. Thank you. Thank you so much.